Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, fresh from February's Unpacked and stealing the show at MWC 2026, winning Best in Show. This is Samsung's most complete flagship yet. It rocks a massive 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED display with QHD plus resolution, 1 to 120 Hz refresh, anti-reflective Gorilla Armor 2 protection, and the game-changing privacy display. This hardware feature blocks side-angle viewing on demand. No extra screen protector needed, perfect for Lago streets or crowded buses. Under the hood, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, custom-tuned. Overclocked for top performance. (12 GB or 16 GB RAM, and storage up to 1 TB. Redesigned vapor chamber keeps it cool during heavy AI tasks or gaming. Camera setup is beast mode. 200 MP main with wider f1, 4 aperture for brighter.